For a century, Mitsubishi Electric's FA products have supported every aspect of our lives. No matter how much society changes, we will always be our customers' trusted partner. Through our automation solutions, leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as digitalization, while also drawing on our know-how accumulated over the years, we bring about change in not only our customers' business operations, but also society, which is growing increasingly complex and diverse. Here's a brief introduction of Mitsubishi Electric's factory automation systems business. In 1924, Nagoya Works was established as a factory for the mass production of general-purpose motors. Afterwards, we began earnestly producing numerous FA system products that would go on to become the cornerstones of our present-day FA systems business. Our business fields cover a diverse range, and our FA products and solutions are now used in many different fields, including automotive, food and beverage, and semiconductors. Here's Mitsubishi Electric's abundant FA product lineup. Controllers, achieving automation of factories and advanced control. Edge computing products, enabling more efficient data linkage with the production shop floor through IT systems. Drive products for high-precision variable speed and positional control. Power distribution and control products adopted everywhere from factories to office buildings. FA sensors, facilitating the seamless collection and management of measurement data from the production shop floor. Software, solving various issues in the design, manufacturing, operation, and maintenance phases. Mechatronics products, achieving ultra-high speed and precision machining. Industrial networks, merging production shop floors and IT systems. eFactory connects these devices and facilities in an optimal network for each level of hierarchy and optimizes overall manufacturing by utilizing the collected data. eFactory Alliance achieves co-creation with over 1,000 partners. There are a great many other solutions which make eFactory a reality. The synergy of this diverse product lineup, digital technology, and services that leverage field knowledge allows us to innovate our customers' entire manufacturing lifecycle, from design to renewal. We also have thorough service and technical support frameworks so that Mitsubishi Electric bases everywhere can unite in supporting our customers. Through showrooms, training schools, and other facilities, we offer reliable technology, reassuring manufacturing globally. Mitsubishi Electric will contribute to flexible and sustainable manufacturing by promptly providing optimal solutions to customers' issues. Enriching the lives of people around the world by contributing to co-innovation with industry and infrastructure customers, utilizing automation technology. This is our vision as our guiding principle.